The following portion of Daytime Blue Ridge is sponsored by
All right, now's the time of year when we think about spring projects around the home, and whether it's a small project or a major addition to your home, F&S Building Innovations does it all.
Yeah, and here to talk to us about F&S, we have Alicia and Jeremy. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you for having us.
Absolutely. All right, so tell us about F&S Building Innovations.
F&S actually started at Smith Mountain Lake in 1976. It was a family business, so this is our community, and we're just really happy to be back here supporting the Smith Mountain Lake Expo as the platinum sponsor.
That's really cool. So tell us about the different services that you offer.
Well, we have several different offers we can provide to everyone. You know, sunrooms, decks, remodeling, bathrooms, kitchens, any kind of exterior, interior space, and we also have a commercial division as well, so we can take care of all those needs.
You do it all.
We do it all.
Yeah. Let's talk about some of the current projects that you're working on. I understand that you're general contractor on East Lake Community Church.
Tell us about that.
We are. They are working on currently a 56,000 square foot new facility right down the road here in Manita. So we're a general contractor, but that was a design build project. So they came to us right in the beginning. We've helped them with the design of all the structures, the layout of the property, and this is actually part of a larger master plan that will eventually house a conference center, a ball field. So this is just phase one in this project.
Wow, that's huge.
Okay, and this is a design build project, is that right? So what is that?
Well, we're taking it from the ground up. You know, we're meeting with the customer themselves and going to the architects and designing that, giving them what they want, and then producing it from there.
Yeah. All right, you also do healthcare renovations. You installed the first hybrid OR in Roanoke Valley. Tell us about that.
We did. We started in the commercial venue in the early 90s. That was kind of our first foray into the healthcare renovations. Since then, we work in all the local healthcare networks, Allegheny area, Roanoke, Lynchburg, Bedford. So we really specialize in those. It takes some special certifications to be able to do that kind of work, and we've got quite a few guys. You see our F&S trucks around all the hospitals all the time.
So let's talk about your booth, what you all have here. What can people expect when they come to the Smith Mountain Lake Business Expo?
Yeah, they can come by, check us out. We've got plenty of literature here, different books, our Trex. We are Trex Pro Platinum installer here, so they can take a look at what we can offer for their exterior spaces.
Now these books over here, is this stuff that you've done in the past?
We've got a couple that here that you can see different projects that we've done in the past, as well as some of the literature that if you're just in the planning stages, you can take a look at that and get your ideas from there as well.
That's so cool, because I always feel like I'm the type of person that I would have no idea. So this is kind of to give you an idea of all of the things that you can do, right?
That is correct. Also, just to mention, Alicia is our interior decorator. So she can handle anything as far as ideas and take it and put it on computer. Pretty fantastic.
Yeah.
I love looking at the pictures and getting ideas. I want to do it all.
I know.
If somebody wants information on you and if they can't come out today, what's the best way of reaching you and finding out more of what you can do for them?
First of all, go to our website. It's www.fs4seasons.com. And that's the best way, and then they can call us at 985-9160, and we do free estimates. We'll come to their house, meet with them, no obligation.
That is wonderful.
Cool. We need a new something. We need a new building.
We can do it for
All
you.
sorts of stuff. Guys, thank you so much and have fun today. We appreciate you talking to us.